Hello friend, this is Prakash Bagchi. Today I have to show you how we can see the GSTR-2A business to business invoice details, and for this we need to log into GST portal, and I have already logged in. I just want to show you this is the portal. We need to go to the service, then return and return dashboard. From here we need to select the particular financial year and month for which we are going to download the file and see which vendor has reported GST data to the GST portal. Whatever GST they have charged, they need to report in the GST portal. For that we will select any month and we'll search, and here it is, that GSTR-2A. Once we need to click download here. There are two options. One is generate JSON file and another one is generate Excel file. So I want to click on download. So I have already submitted the request and it says file generation is in progress, please try after some time. So when the file generation is over, then when you click on that to generate Excel file to download, here the download link will be shown, and once you click on the download link, one zip file will get downloaded, and inside the zip file you will find the Excel file. I have already downloaded the files, so I will show you how this file looks like. I just minimize this browser and I will go to that folder GST test. Yes, for testing purpose I have created this folder, and inside that folder you can see various zip files are there. For every month there is a separate zip file, and inside this zip file you will find that Excel file. This is the Excel file, and I will show you how the Excel file looks like. It's like so many tabs, and we are concerned about this B2B tab. This is the B2B tab. There are so many data, but there are so many unnecessary data as well. Like for each single invoice there is a total. We do not need this total. We do not need this blank row. So we need to remove this file as well. Let's see how we can remove these files. So I'm just closing this Excel file, closing this zip. So I have created an Excel macro just to automate this thing, and this will what this will do. It will open each zip file, and within this zip file, the Excel file, it will open that Excel file as well, copy the data and paste it into a new file, and again close that Excel file, open another zip file, copy the data from the Excel file, paste it on the new file, and it will one by one it will open every Excel file within that zip file and copy the data into another file. And this is then after copying all the data, it will remove all blank rows and the total every invoice total line. So how it is done, I will show you the macro file. This is the Excel file I have created, so I will open this file, and this is the command. I have made a command button here. Once we click on this command button, it will ask for the folder where the zip files are saved. So for me, I have saved it in desktop, and this is the GST test folder, is the folder where I kept all the zip files. So I select this, I will select that GST test folder and click on OK. Once I click on OK, the macro will automatically run. It will do its process, and it will give you the data. So I will click on OK, and let's see what happens. So it's working. You can see it's working. It's still working. It says job done, and there's a message box. It says job done. So we have so many data in this first column. It's 01 means January, and 2018 means 2008. So you can see that for every month there's 12 months, I believe. So you can see all data are in one folder. Now you can select vendor wise, what vendor have reported your data or not. You can see the invoice number, and once the data is in Excel, you can do anything. You can analyze this data, and you can go back to the vendor that okay, you have charged me the GST and so invoices, but you have still not reported in the GST portal. So this is the file. I think you will like this file, because it will save a lot of time of yours. And that's it. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. I'll give you the download link of this file in the description, so you can download the file from there. Thank you. Bye bye.